Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to configure your Google account to your Outlook. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure you have your Google account signed in. As you can see right here, I have a lot of profiles that I can work with on Google. By just simply clicking a button there, I'll have my Google account signed in. That being said, I can switch them anytime I please. Easy as that. So just make sure you log into your Google account on your computer, laptop, or PC, and then you should be good to go. Next step is opening up Outlook. As you can see right here, this is going to be the new Outlook, because as you can see right there, that's going to be the button that says it's new. And basically with this one, it's going to be very easy to integrate or connect Gmail to your Outlook. As you can see right here, there's going to be your gear button or settings. Simply click on it and you'll see this option. You have accounts, general, email, calendar, and people. I simply want you to click on accounts, and once you're here, as you can see, I have already utilized or connected my Gmail to my Outlook on my main account. Now, I can simply click on manage here and remove it if I don't like it. Or I can just go back to the accounts page and add an account on this button. So as you can see right there, it will read the accounts that I have logged in on my PC. That is why it's very important when I mention make sure you log in to your Google account on your computer or laptop, because the new Outlook can clearly understand or check what are the kinds of Gmail or Google accounts logged in on your computer. So basically, simply click this button, choose the account, click on continue, and once you're here, it will ask you to sync all of your emails. Of course, we will allow that. That's the main idea here. And you'll log into this landing page where basically you can simply click on your account and then click on allow and simply click on open for the new Outlook. And for this one, it's gonna be easy as that. You'll have your new Gmail account logged in to your new Outlook. Easy as that. As you can see right there, those two accounts have just been added on my Outlook. Not a problem. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.